This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show your phone number on Facebook. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Facebook. To hide or show your phone number on Facebook, first thing you want to do is go to your profile page. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says my name, and I'm going to click on my name. On this page that opens up, right underneath your name here, you'll see some tabs down here. Post, About, Friends, Photos. You want to click on the one that says About. And then on this page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Contact and Basic Info. And from here, at the very top in the center pane, you'll see contact info, you'll see your phone number, you'll see your email address. Well, right off to the right side of my phone number, I have an icon, and then I have a pencil icon. I have an icon of a lock because my phone number is hidden. If I put my mouse cursor over that, it says it's only me, displayed to only me. If I click on that icon, a little dialog box opens up asking me, do I want to make it public? Anyone on Facebook or off of Facebook can see my phone number. If I toggle this one on, it would be public. The next one down is friends of friends. That means your friends and your friends' friends can see your phone number. If you toggle on the next one down, friends, only your friends will be able to see your phone number. I currently have only me toggled on. Nobody can see my phone number. You could click on custom and you could select certain friends to display your phone number to. And if you have any custom lists, they would be right below that. I have mine listed on only me. If you change anything, all you need to do is go down to the bottom and click on done. That is how to hide or show your phone number on Facebook. Thanks for watching.